Stepping off the campaign for the upcoming TTAADC election, Suraj Debbarma, the Tipra Motha candidate for Takarjala-Jampuijala constituency, held a high-voltage public meeting late Monday night. Addressing a massive gathering of local residents, he reaffirmed the party's commitment to its core ideology demands.
The meeting held in the tribal heartland of Jampuijala saw the candidate engaging in one-on-one interactions with village elders and youth. Suraj Debbarma's campaign has focused heavily on grassroots connectivity, emphasizing the party's role as the sole protector of indigenous rights in the state.
Ang pula campaign khaibiru bahino asaka satung tungui tangmani kai to rana hamari khaiye pura salthanda haisi so abuna ang koinani muchungo sung poito ma tongnai choba wa haisi sini dofarok sini dofati prasa dofarok asik bo sumso kotor khaya ko sung o dofani komani thanani haisi sung asik bo sumso kotor khaya sungno buni dofani barak sungno sokomori manani haisi tomungno tiprasa dofa thancha tong hangkangkai sung o Tripura raijo thancha ni bisingte sung sasan bo khaipina haisi abo kemon naru rimania wati bo phaikya ang taisa phaipinai nora ana hamari kraijadi norong thane ani bai suri jadi ang kaitone thane poido tongo baskang ni chobana sung kraka choba khaiye tung taibo kaham kok salainai norong jotono kaham kereng tona ning tung bobagra aiglok tung Tipra Motha YTF TW aiglok tung sini Tipra dafa buni dafa ni borok bai sasan khaini datir mothang jana tung ambai
Reported by Simon from Takarjala, Chini, Khorang.